I love to go fishing. It's such a peaceful feeling, being out in nature. I can forget all my troubles and just relax in the sun. I can feel the tension leave my body as I cast my line in the water. I know I won't catch anything, but it doesn't really matter. I'm just happy to be here, enjoying the scenery. It's so calming and serene, and when I finally go home, I'll be feeling refreshed. I can't wait to go fishing. It's my favorite way to unwind.
Mancing udang, dapat udang sungguh seronok. Bila tak dapat udang, wajah yang manis menjadi bonyok. Mancing ke tu? Macam tak pandai mancing je. Macam kupau je. Modal dah keluar. Udang tak makan-makan. Makan modal. Mantap. Mantap. Aku mancing udang, dapat udang sungguh seronok. Bila tak dapat udang, wajah yang manis menjadi bonyok. Mancing ke tu? Macam tak pandai mancing je. Macam kupau je. Modal dah keluar. Udang tak makan-makan. Makan modal. Mantap. Mantap. Aku mancing udang, dapat udang sungguh seronok. Bila tak dapat udang, wajah yang manis menjadi bonyok. Mancing ke tu? Macam tak pandai mancing je. Macam kupau je. Modal dah keluar. Udang tak makan-makan. Makan modal. Mantap. Mantap.